Watch how we've simplified our lives with the Narwal Flow. We needed to vacuum and mop before we put up our tree. So while my husband got the tree out, I had the Narwal do our dirty work. It even has dual cameras and AI that sees toys and cords and pet stuff, so it doesn't run it over. After it vacuums, I turn on the mop feature with its one-pass liquid clean. Look how it cleaned up our spilled drink. While it continues to clean our carpets and corners, we are able to get up the tree. I would trade mopping and vacuuming for more family time any day of the week. And it's cool because after it picks up all the stuff off of your floor, it empties itself with its closed loop system. So it's self-cleaning. It has live water washing and 113-degree warm water and drying. When it's all finished, it returns to base and puts itself away. Comment Narwhal below for the link to their big sale.